So to attach the hose onto the back of your machine to make sure it vents out, what you're going to do is remove these 4 screws on the back of the machine and make sure you do not lose these 4 screws, because it is going to be used to attach the hose back on. Now with the hose, you can either, I almost lost it. Put it right outside the window, or if you have some sort of air filtration system, whichever one you are using will work. So we're going to go ahead and undo these screws. All right, all 4 screws are off and set aside, and now the filter cover can come off. Should just pop off with a little bit of force here. There we go. And your hose attachment is going to sit right in there. And you're just going to use those screws that you popped off and put them right in those 4 holes right there. All right, now that that hose is installed and screwed in there, you can see how it can just extend, and we can extend it right out the window, or you can connect it to your filter.